If you drive on Parker Road, you likely noticed a few construction projects underway. One of those projects started in late May. Crews are replacing 8-inch water lines from Independence Parkway to Custer Road and 12-inch water lines from Custer to Country Place Drive. The work will also include reinforced concrete pavement, placement of grass and pavers in the medians, driveways, and ramps. This, of course, will impact traffic patterns. Inside lanes will be closed. Center lanes will be temporarily closed when large equipment is being used. Temporary asphalt is being used for crossings until new pavement can be poured, so it is important to drive carefully in the construction areas. Now keep in mind, the average age of Parker between Preston Road and US 75 is 40 years. More than 31,000 vehicles travel on the segment of Parker between Independence and Custer every day. So if you can, take alternate routes. And pardon our work as we strive to make Plano even better.